Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to delete a story on your Snapchat. Firstly, make sure you get the application. And here you can see I am already in my Snapchat application. Now, there at the top, you can see your profile icon at the left side. You have to tap on that. Now you will be led to this kind of page, and downside you can see my stories option, and below that you can see my story. You need to tap on that. And now you can see that the story you have uploaded will pop up. Now all you have to do is slide it upward. Now you will be led to this kind of interface. At the bottom left you can see two options, save or delete. If you want to save this story, then you can simply tap on that option. But we are about to delete the story, so we will tap on delete option. Now this kind of box will pop up. All you need to do is tap on delete. And now you can see that your Snapchat story has been deleted. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.